We're going to continue our math lessons. Please take out your orange math packet and turn to the fourth page in the packet that looks like this. It has pictures of clownfish at the top, and it has the numbers 293 at the bottom. If you've been dog-ear folding down your pages, you should be able to flip those corners all over, turn the page and flip your packet and be at this page here. If you need help locating the page, please pause the video and ask an adult or an older sibling to help you. In today's lesson, I'm going to introduce you to the symbol that's used to show subtraction. It's called the subtraction sign or the minus sign for short. We use this sign to show that a number is being taken away from a larger group. When we read it as a math sentence, we say a number take away another number is how many left over? Let's begin together. Take out your pencil. We're going to write a subtraction sentence for number 1. Before we start taking things away, let's count how many we had to start with. Let's count all the clownfish that we see. Will you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There were 7 clownfish to start. Please write the number 7 on the handwriting line to show that that is how many we had to start with. Then today we're going to trace over the subtraction sign to show that this number is being taken away. It would like us to take away 4. Let's trace the number 4 on the handwriting line. And then we need to take that many away from the 7 original fish. 7 take away 4. Let's cross off 4 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4. We took away 4 fish. How many did that leave left over? Let's count all the ones that don't have black X's on them. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 7 take away 4 is 3 left over. Now again, we see this equal sign. We use this equal sign in all kinds of math sentences to show that one set of things is equal to another. So this set of 7 take away 4 is the same thing as the number 3. They're equal to each other. Let's keep working. Put your finger on number 2. Let's solve the subtraction sentence. We have 10 stingrays. Let's count them to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 stingrays in the group. For this subtraction problem, we're going to take away 6. 10 take away 6. So trace over that subtraction sign for take away and write a 6 on the handwriting line. 10 take away 6 is how many in all? Trace over the equal sign. We need to cross off 6 to show that they're being taken away. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now to see how many are left over, we need to count the ones that don't have black X's on them. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 left over. 10 take away 6 is 4. Nice work. Number 3. Put your finger on number 3. There are 8 fish. Let's count them to make sure. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 fish. Let's write an 8 on the handwriting line. We start with a group of 8. Then we need to take away 2. Go ahead and trace over the subtraction sign and write the number 2. 8 take away 2 is how many left over? Trace over the equal sign for the word is. Now to solve this, we need to take away the number that it's being asked. 8 take away 2, so we need to cross off 2. 1, 2. Let's count how many are left over after we take away 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 left over. 8 take away 2 is 6 left over. Before we move on to the back, please dog ear fold down the top corner so that you're ready for tomorrow's lesson. Dog ear fold down that corner, then please turn your page and flip your packet so that you are on page 294 with the yellow striped fish at the top. For this page, I would like you to solve these on your own. I'm going to ask you in a moment to pause the video and work out these problems on the back. Once you're done, unpause the video and I'll show you the answers so you can check your work. Make sure that you start by counting how many there are in the group, then how many you're being asked to take away, and then write how many that is left after you cross them off at the top. Remember to trace over the subtraction sign and the equal sign. Okay, are you ready? When you're finished, make sure you unpause the video to see the answers. Pause and solve now. All right, did you work them all out on your own? Here are the answers for you. Make sure to check your work that you have all your numbers written nicely, that you traced over all the subtraction signs and the equal signs, and that you crossed off your problems. Once you've checked all your work, then you're done with math for today. If you'd like to work on happynumbers.com for a little while, you are welcome to do that, but you don't have to. After you're finished, make sure to put your math away in your school bin and we'll continue learning more tomorrow.